This time.
Yeah, just go easy.
Go easy.
Let's do inline touch and go. I'm good with that problem, guys. I'm good with staying half.
That's true because you were in the military.
Takeoff flaps.
See, Maya, you lied. I knew you lied. Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Did you think you're lying about in Israel you have to get the transfer?
Are we all taking all together?
Should we?
Yep.
Go.
Okay.
China cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Who's in the back?
I'm on
I
you,
am.
man.
Because we got
Next to me.
I'm on you. It's me.
Turbo and Nitro leading. Yeah, you can. I'm slotting in right now. I just slotted in right there. That's me.
I'm staying with my wingman.
Alright, I'm taking the center line.
Okay, I'll be closest to us.
I'll be furthest out.
I'm gonna be somewhere.
Somewhere.
Over the horizon.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Hello, you guys are close. Whoa, what the heck?
You both are fighting over too.
Right, I'm taking the center line again.
Go
Where
for
are
it.
you? Are you-
I'm going long.
What the hell
Closest to us. Oh, somebody's inverted. Must be
Are
Kazra.
you in the center of the line? Oh my goodness.
Guys, that's cool. Guys, this looks good. I think we are. We're doing pretty damn good.
Front. Who's
That's me right above you.
Okay. That's what she said.
Dad, where are you?
I'm right now almost in the front.
So I am
Center
closest to
line again
us.
for me.
Ah, I see you left.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Hey, we need to space ourselves out a little bit and do touch and goes.
You know what would be good if the 4 of us come together
Touch
and
and
do
go.
a fast roll all at once.
Seriously, Frank? Touch and go.
Are we doing touch and go?
We're doing touch and go. I'm not
Oh,
doing
man.
touch and go.
I didn't
Whoa,
get in the
who's that?
sequence.
Frank, that's not. I'm the one coming down.
Gear down, landing flaps.
Touch and go for me.
30 seconds.
Right behind you, Ray.
Okay.
All right, Ray, I'm gonna come find you. We're gonna do a touch
I just
and go.
okay. I'm right over the runway right now. Is that you?
Right behind you.
Okay. Look out for the Mustang.
10, 9.
Whoa, weird wind right there.
All right, touch and go.
Go.
I'm
Landing
gonna be
flaps.
furthest from
Gear
us.
down.
Okay.
I'm on the left.
Oh,
They left me.
I'm touch and going.
They
as
don't
well.
like me.
5,
who's touching going first?
4, 3,
We're all touching and going.
2, 1. Time expired. Flaps up, gear up.
Whoa!
Crazy guy. All right, Ray, you want to redo?
Yeah.
Landing
I'm setting up for it right now.
Setting up for it too.
Okay. Further, I'll be closest to us.
Where are you guys? Where
Touch
are
and
you?
go.
Touch and go again?
Yeah. So Frank, hurry up. I'm trying to waste time. There you go.
I'm here.
There you are.
You guys are doing go and go. That's pretty good. I better put my gears on.
Gear up, flaps up.
That was cool, man.
Yes, it was kind of scary, but it worked. I had to wait and make sure I was pointing the right way. We got a plane landing, so give him time.
Okay.
What's your
The Mustang's coming in.
Me?
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. It says no data.
Are we doing touch and go again?
We gotta wait for the Mustang.
Landing.
1 minute over. Gear down.
Okay,
Calvin, 23.
touch and go.
Flaps.
I'm doing my touch and go.
22.3. Minus 23. You can. I have to.
We
Are
use.
you guys? Are we doing touch and go?
I'm a touch and go right now. We can. Come on, the runway's clear.
I'm gonna do a touch and go as well. Is that you, Ray?
Yeah.
Gear
Alright, I'm gonna
up. Flaps up.
Okay. Ready for a touch and go, Frank?
Ready.
Okay.
Setting up right now.
Right, me too.
Gear down.
Flaps down, gear down. Frank and I both.
No.
That's me coming.
I'm just gonna stay in this country.
Go ahead. I'm gonna put my flaps up, but I'll be ready.
Let's go to you guys. Alright. I think 3 at the same time doing touch and go is just too much.
Over. Landing flaps.
I'm worried about my battery, man.
Yeah, you better land.
I'm coming in.
I think that was the best right there.
That was pretty sweet.
Pretty damn cool.
Timer over. 2 minutes 20 seconds.
Yeah, I better start. I better prepare my landing.
Hey, I'm on the near side on the runway. Coming back.
Okay,
I guess we're gonna stay.
let's just do a dirty pass.
30 pass.
Yep. We're good.
I'm 21.9.
I've been flying low throttle this whole time, so
I've been doing low throttle.
I've been below half.
Oh, no, I don't know how my. But my pack is older. Yeah. All right, setting. I'm coming. Setting up, right?
Okay, I'm right behind you.
All right, I'm gonna land from you.
Okay, we'll be clear of you. It's all right.
Over.
Right, landing full stop from the right.
Who's calling me? I think this is going to be it.
Okay.
When you land, Frank,
Yeah.
make your turn to the right.
Oh, Ran is all the way on the right. Oh, on the left now.
Oh, wait. Okay. I'm okay, I'll keep going. This is fun, dude.
22.1.
So I bet I'm okay.
Here. Yeah. I think I'll do one more touch and go and then bring it in.
Okay.
Frank, I landed with 22.2 volts. You better check your. Yes, ma'am.
Still got plenty of power.
4 minutes over.
I'm going to start taking contributions towards my home. 22.0.
I think we're okay.
10 minutes left, Frank. You want to do one tandem, Frank?
This is, yeah, oh, this is it for me. I'm landing.
Oh, you're landing?
Yeah. I got to catch up to you, though.
Seinfeld episode where Kramer goes to test drive a car.
22.2.
Yeah, you got at least another couple of minutes left.
I'm staying down.
1.9. Alright, I gotta land. Like, I'm just landing because.
Just because everybody else left you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's alone.
I'm underloaded and I'm at 21.9.
Yeah, you're fine.
Ridiculous.
He's a man. He's a real man.
Landing, full stop. 22.1.
Come on in. I'm all the way to your right, but I'll be clear by the time you are.
Go around again. Go around again.
Actually, I could. I could go around. Push it, push it.
Flaps up.
Okay, guys, that was fun. It doesn't matter.
You need to come on this side.
Yeah.